Yeah, man. This is the back view. I think it's the back view of the building itself. So I'll be going around so I can capture the whole building itself. They are done with the down floor. First floor, another floor are still yet to be concluded. So this is the side view. But this building itself, this building is 2 bedroom. The one behind is 2 bedrooms, 2-bedroom apartment each. Back view. This is the side view. This is the side view. The side view of the 2-bedroom apartment. So everything here. These are 2 bedroom, and this is the staircase. Then this is another portion of the 2-bedroom flat. Then this other side, this is the back view of the 3-bedroom flat. And this is the alternative staircase. This is the back view of the 3-bedroom flat. The one by the left is the 2-bedroom, this side, and the one by the right is the 3-bedroom. 3-bedroom from the top to the bottom. So I'll be going around the building. So this is it. This is per se. So they decided to paint the front view to serve as a prototype. So this is as a prototype. So this is the front view now. For now, it's only the front, the down floor that is tight. So every other floor I'm still working on. So this is the front view of the building. Also, it's a good thing. So this whole building now is 3-bedroom. Everything here is 3-bedroom. Everything is 3-bedroom. Some of the floors have been tied. Some are yet to be tied. So this is where we are. So basically, the wiring, the connection, electrical connection is still going on, and the plumbing work. Those are still being considered, still being worked on. So I'll be going to the side to capture the side view of the building itself. So this is the side view of the building itself. Side view. Side view. So there are some other buildings still going on. Not the same design, but I think the agenda is to close this first.